Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make apricot balls and date balls. First, prepare orange zest, and here I'm using a large size orifices plate for the grinder, and I'm going to grind the apricot. I just transfer it into this container, and I will add orange zest. You could use less orange zest, and shredded unsweetened coconut. And finally, chopped pecan. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment, and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. Final step, shape them into balls equal size and roll them out in the shredded coconut. I've made 13 in total. Here I have melted butter. To that I will add pitted and packed date. You could buy unpacked date. It will become soft very quickly. I'm using low heat. Once you start to smell the date, like maybe 3 minutes after you turn it from side to side, you know it's time to add cocoa powder. And continue to saute for maybe another 1 minute or even less. Okay, so now transfer into a plate and let it cool a bit before you add tahini. Then mix very well and leave it outside for maybe 1 or 2 hours. It depends on the weather. It become cooler and a little harder, so it will be very easy to shape. Again, shape them into balls and roll them out in a roasted sesame. And thank you for watching.